We got this Hamana kit for Christmas, and Ginger is singing a wonderful Christmas song. Go ahead and sing it again, honey.
Oh, I don't know. I'll make it up later. What is that? Oh, the seedling. Come, little seedlings, don't be afraid. Come fulfill your destiny.
In our tummy.
In our tummies, don't be afraid. We are quite grateful. Chomp, 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 don't be afraid.
Hamana, we'll let you know how it goes.
Come on, seedlings.
Very simple instructions.
Don't be
Oh wow! You soak it? Phil, you won't have to.
So wait,
Place
hurry
seed
up.
tray. Place tan.
Side up,
Facing coconut.
downside down.
Press down on seed
Side
quilt to
down.
evenly wet. Hold for 10
That's
seconds,
right.
letting the seed quilt will cook up water.
You count while I sing.
1.
Come on,
two,
seedlings. Come on, seedlings. Come on, seedlings.
4,
Come on, seedlings.
5,
Fulfill your
6,
destiny.
7, 8.
Our teethies,
9,
chomp, 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 are looking forward
10.
to seeing you. Or maybe even in the blender. We could put you in like breakfast shakes. Don't be afraid, it's your destiny. David, don't take a picture of me.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
We're trying this Hamana stuff. We'll keep you posted on how it goes. This is going to like grow little seedlings.
Santa was very generous.
Hamana microgreen grow kit. 10 days to munchy. Merry Christmas, everybody. Take care.